What the heck? Oh my. Well, he's like, listen, you guys, if a kid is 25, I call him habayar. I'm tired of these. Guys, at this point, I need to get the hell out of here. Oh my. Okay, we need to get materials, you guys, any information, but that's just what it is. Oh God. Hanti! Hanti! You guys, where my sister is. حالة way xumaa ee dabku shideen. Then gaariyaashoodan way u maleynayaan inay ka I just don't understand. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm trying to oh my God. What the hell? Building dhinacaas kale gadaashiis way soo gubeen intana woo kacay. I guess over here is on. This whole place is about to go off. gabar Soomaaliya askana dukaamiyaashan waa ka xumaha. Beelay idin 12 gareyse. You guys, the whole place is going in flames. I am shocked. Oh my God. The place is going on fire. I'm a little bit further away. I'm on the other side of the bahalka wadada. And then you have cars. I don't know what they think they're doing. Kaltoon, they're lighting the city up. It's lit up here. They're lighting every block. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know why he's still standing around. Fuck. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm trying to leave. I can't leave. Inta police kya xiran. Inta na fire ku xiran. So gaariga again into yala, so I can't leave. And I'm waiting for Hamdi. So if situation get off, we're just gonna have to go through the alley. Oh my God. There's no way to leave. And I'm waiting for my sister. I don't know where she is. Oh my God, you guys, this is fucked up. Oh my God. I called her, she's on her way. So I don't understand why they're not. The fire department is literally just right over there. They turned that gas